In this video, I'll introduce how to create a video with embedded questions to use in a class. For this purpose, we will be using the website PlayPosit. You will need to go to www.playposit.com and create a free account. Once you've done that and you're logged in, you will see these options. Go to the design option. If you know which video you want to use, paste its URL into this blank, or if you need to find a video, you can search for videos here. Once you've selected a video, enter your lesson title, then add a learning objective. Choose a grade level, a subject, and a subtopic. If you wish for your students to be able to rewind when they get a question so that they can hear the previous parts of the video, turn this button on and then click Begin Building. The video begins to play. You can watch the video until you get to a point where you want to insert a question. Or you can use this button here to fast forward through the video to get to the point where you want to insert the question. And when you get to that point, click Add Question. This area will pop up. With the free version of PlayPosit, you have the choice of adding a multiple choice question, a free response or short answer, short paragraph question, or canceling and not adding a question. I'll add a multiple choice question. When you click to add a multiple choice question, it opens this question box. You can type your question in here. Check this box here if you want your answers to show up in a random order. You click here to enter the answers, the possible answers. If you want to add more possibilities, you can click Add Another Answer. And finally, you check the radio button next to the correct answer. When you're finished, you click the Save button. If you wish, you can add another question here at this same point, or you can let the video continue playing. I'll go ahead and add a free response question so you can see an example of that. For the free response, you simply type a question and click Save. You continue by watching your video all the way through and inserting questions wherever you would like them. When you're done, you click Finish Build. Or you can click Save and Continue. In either case, you'll be brought to this screen. If you already have a class created, you will be asked to assign your video to that class. If not, you'll be asked to create a class. Once you've created the class, you assign the video to the class. Choose a date when it's available and click Save. You are then given the URL for your video and you are given an embed code. Back on the main page for PlayPosit, if you choose your dashboard, and scroll down, you'll see the classrooms that you've created. If you'd like to create a new classroom, click here on the plus button, and you can name your class. And choose a subject for your class and click Add. And then if you would like to assign any of your video bulbs to that class, you just click the Assign link on the video that you'd like to assign, and you choose to assign it to the new classroom. Set the date when the assignment is due and click Save. So you can assign your videos to as many classrooms as you'd like. If you'd like to see what videos are assigned to a classroom, you click on it and you can see the name of the video that is assigned to it, and you can see when the video is due. Notice that clicking on it has sent you to the Monitor tab. If there's any assignment data, you can click here to get it, or you can click on the video to see which students have signed up and if they've made any progress. Once you've created a class and assigned it videos to watch, you have two options to get students into your class. In the first option, you simply send them the link to the video that was available when you assigned the video, and you can retrieve that link again by clicking the Share button, and you will see it again. You can simply send the students that link, and when they go to it and try to enter the class, try to watch the video, they will be asked to enter a name, and then they will automatically be enrolled into the class. Alternatively, you can go to your dashboard and click Add Students. When you do that, you will be able to copy and paste students' names, first name, last name, email or other unique username, password that you assign into this space right here. So the best thing to do would be to create an Excel spreadsheet with your student's first name, last name, their email, and a password that you want to give them. And you would then just click right here and copy and paste that list in. So if I had this spreadsheet with my student's first name, last name, email address, and the password I wanted to assign to them, I could copy and paste those fields. Right into there, and then I would assign them to my test classroom and click Submit Roster. Once I have created a video, assigned it to a class, and assigned students to the class, and given them the URL so that they can access the video, the last thing I'll want to do is to see how my students have done on the video assignment. To do that, I go back to PlayPosit and I go to the Monitor tab and I choose the video that I want to check on. PlayPosit loads the student responses for that video. In this column, I can see the students' names. And here I can see their answers to their questions. This question was a multiple choice question, and so they chose the correct answer. It's green, so I know they chose the correct answer. I can click on it though to refresh my memory of what the questions and answer options were. For these questions, ones that are orange, that means they require grading, usually because they were free response. I can click on one to see the student's answer. And then for questions like this one, where it's red, I can see that this student answered this question incorrectly. Over here, I can see whether the student finished all of the video or none of the video, hasn't begun it yet. Or I can see, for example, this student watched 67% of the video. If you have multiple videos in your course, you can choose between the videos by using this drop-down. And if you have multiple courses, you can use this drop-down to switch between the classes.